What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Here is another video. If you are new here, my name is KSW. I do all types of videos. If you're not new here, welcome back. Here is another video. And we want to be making the viral TikTok pickle dip. I got the ingredients and we're going to start making it. I went to Dollar General this morning and pick up the things that I need. Only thing I didn't have was green onions, and I didn't feel like walking to Walmart, and that's like a 10-minute walk. I didn't feel like walking, so we're going to use what we have inside the house. I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get started. Okay, I am back. I had to wait for the baking to be done to get started. And here what all you gonna need. You need buffalo sauce. You need ranch, but you need the seasoning kind. I got the wrong kind, but I'm just gonna use this instead. You're gonna need cheddar cheese. You're going to need sour cream. You need the whipped sour cream. Cream cheese. You're gonna need pickles, but you use the Goya ones. But I don't like the Goya ones because I don't like the taste. So I'm gonna use this instead. And you're gonna need chips and jalapenos. So we're gonna get started. First, we're going to hold on, y'all. First, we're going to pull out the pickles. Because we're going to need some of the juice later. And now what we're going to need next, we're going to cut up the pickles fine. Little small dices. You're going to use all of these pickles. I'm going to do smaller than that. I'm going to cut them like this. So I can just go ahead and get started. This video won't be long at all, you guys. I'm going to pause it right here and then I'm going to be back. I am back. Now we're going to cut them up in small pieces. And it's like, it's kind of up, guys. How y'all day going? How y'all, if you seen this video in a day or night, how y'all day went or how y'all day is going. And let me know if you want to try this recipe or if you tried this little, basically it's like a little snack, this snack recipe. See, I'm back. And now, I'm going to keep cutting it some more because it's still a little bit big. I'm going to be back. Now we're going to put them in here. I'm going to wash this. I'm going to, see, it's not, we're going to eyeball it. Hold on, y'all. But we got to cut our bacon first. We're going to cut our bacon first. We're going to put it on here. See the bacon? I know it's burnt. So we're just going to put them on here. Put the bacon on here. I don't know how they burn it. Here comes my bacon. Now we're going to put the cream cheese. I mean sour cream. Oh, you're gonna put the cheese. You're gonna put some on the inside. You're gonna put the bacon on the inside and on the outside on top. So I'm gonna use about one of these. One jalapeno because I don't eat jalapenos like that. Oh yeah, and I need seasoning. I'll be right back. You're gonna need onion powder, garlic powder, and a little slap your mama. And slap your mama. I mean buffalo sauce. It's gonna look like this at first, but we're gonna mix it. Oh, I thought I was recording, but here's the final look right here. I put a little bit too much buffalo sauce. That's why it got the color to it. But I'm going to be putting it back in the jar. I'll be back with the final look, and then we're gonna do a mukbang. Here is the final look. I'm gonna go to the table so we can try it out. Okay, back. I had to look for my other tripod because the other tripod I had wasn't working. We're going to be testing this out. Want some? Yeah, I want some. Mm. I'm gonna leave this in the refrigerator for a while. So I think it would be better cold, but it's still good. And just wait till all the flavors and all the seasoning marinate together, and then try it. Mm. I get it eight. I get it eight out of 10. Mm. I think I put too much onion powder. Mm. Mm. That will be in. That will be the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. Once again, y'all go check out my business. Go check out my website. I did launch my business about 2 months ago. Y'all go check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching this video.